Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add photo on Temu account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add photo on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu account, and make sure you're logged in, at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And when you land over here guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your name and your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your name at the top left corner of the screen and your profile interface will appear like this. Again, tap on your name at the top left corner of the screen just below the profile text and you land over here. Now in order to proceed to add a photo to your Temu account, tap on the photo button at the top of the screen, and either you will be able to choose from the library or you will be able to just take a photo from your camera and tap on the continue. And when this interface appears guys, you can see the choose from library or take photo from your camera. Proceed to over here guys, either choose from the library or take photo from the camera, and you will be able to set that photo as your account photo on your Temu. And with that being said guys, this is how to add photo on Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.